Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today we got a super busy day and I don't even know where to start, but all I know is that we are running super late and we got to go to MC Whips to pick up my TRX. I'm gonna explain everything they did to my TRX once we get there. So the annoying part about picking a car up is that I have to drive one of my cars there, and then I have to have Nick drive one of my other cars back, and then I have to go drop him back. It's pretty annoying because I usually can't find rides and I don't really want to bother people. Yeah, so it's pretty annoying. It's a lot of back and forth just to pick up a car. Quick pull. Oh shit! What the f? Oh my god! What? This car literally went sideways, almost went to the other side of the fucking road. That was better. That was a lot better. So here's what my favorite thing about this car is. You go to race options, you go to chiller, you click this, and basically it cools your supercharger down while you are driving. It uses the air conditioning unit to do that. Basically, you won't really have any AC in the car, but it's using the air conditioning unit to cool down your supercharger. If you put it in race cool down, it will cool down pretty much everything. It'll turn the fans on, the fans will cool down the brakes, everything. And that's what I like about this car, the technology in here. Other manufacturers just don't have. The Z06 has been heat soaking ever since it came out. It can barely do 2 runs before it heat soaks, and then that thing becomes really slow, and then the GT500s run into cooling issues. So all these car manufacturers just don't have the right technology that this car has. Oh my god, it's like shining, it's glowing. Yeah. Nick, what did you do to the car?
So we gave it a one-step paint correction, and Ron did have like major scratching in some areas. He did a good job at taking care of the paint, but some areas did have major scratching. We hit it with a cut and a polish there, and then we sealed the deal with a 6-year ceramic coating by System X.
6 years, woo!
It's a professional grade ceramic coating, so if you want to check out this hydrophobic, power.
Ooh! Don't get my truck wet, man. That looks so good. That's fire.
Yeah, it's really
Thank you. Love you, Nick. Oh my god. This thing looks so good. Obviously, he had to tire shine the wheels. He had to make everything look good.
I don't really tire shine it, but I was like, I'll just tire shine it.
It looks good, honestly. These tires are so annoying to like tire shine. I mean, just look how huge they are. There's so many grooves in there. But Nick did it, and wow, it looks so good. If you want to ceramic coat your car, if you want to paint correct your car, again, they don't just do that here. They wrap cars, they tint, collision, everything. Check out Motor City Whips. They are the best in the business, and it's a one-stop shop. They do everything. But just check out the size difference between a ZR1 and a TRX. I mean, this pretty much shows how big this damn truck is. It's literally double its size. That thing sounds so good. Wow. Wow, look at the paint, guys. Look at the paint. Wow, the paint looks so good. Dude, you did so good. Wow. This truck has not looked this good ever. Guys, what is this? What? What is that? It's right-hand drive. I've never seen. What is that? Guys, help me out. Please tell me, what is this? Excuse me? What kind of car is that?
It's a Suzuki
A cappuccino.
A
I drink those
cappuccino?
in the morning.
Wow, it's tiny.
Yeah, it's a K car from Japan.
It's turboed, right?
Is that fast?
Is this supposed to be fast?
Not fast at all.
It sounds good. 60?
60? What are you gonna go with that? Go get a cappuccino?
It's light though, right? It's like,
1,500 pounds.
oh my God.
That's wild.
Nice car,
It
wow.
really has room for more than 60
This
horsepower.
what? 60 horsepower? I think my lawnmower has more horsepower than that.
Oh,
But that's cool. It's like so tiny. He said it's only 1,500 pounds.
it's called a cappuccino,
A
bro.
cappuccino.
It's legit
It
called-
makes sense. Like what? That's different.
That's
Okay,
wild.
definitely different. I've never seen a 60 horsepower car, right-hand drive, and it weighs only 1,500 pounds. And I'm in like a 6,500 pound truck. I could probably run him over
With 700
without
horsepower.
even like noticing I ran him over.
That car, it was like tiny, dude.
So we got the truck out here in an undisclosed location, and in this exact location, this truck was able to hit a 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds when it was stock. We are back here again with more mods, and I just have no idea. I don't know what this thing is gonna run. I hope it runs somewhere in the twos, like a 2.9. What do you predict it's gonna run?
I think it's gonna run like 2.9, 3, at least a 3.
I would be happy with a 3.0 on the street with
But
this truck.
breaking the twos would be nice.
Breaking the twos with this pickup truck would be insane. Like, it's an off-roading vehicle. I mean, just look at this thing. It has the off-roading tires, it has the ram bar. This thing is not a drag racing truck. Or, I mean, it just at least doesn't seem like it. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We're gonna go in there and see what's gonna happen. So you say 2.9?
2.9, 3.0 at least.
Okay, I say about 3.0. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna get that, but we're gonna go out and try. We're gonna put it in sport mode. We're gonna begin data login right here. I'm probably gonna do like 1,200, or we'll do 1,500. Oh my God, this thing is fast. Did you see that?
Bro, you squealed them so
did it
bad.
spin?
It spun so bad.
Guys, the truck spun. I've never had my TRX spin like that. I mean, look at the tire marks. Let me show you guys. It's from right here. That's where I started. You can't see them that much on camera. They're right here. These. You can barely see them. It's right there. You can see it's super wide. Like, what? A TRX spinning? Wow. That's insane. I don't know what the 0 to 60 was, but I don't think it was that good because we spun bad on that one. So that last one was a 3.9, which is absolutely horrible. So we're gonna try to do that again. We just spun really, really bad.
Really, guys, really, really bad for all-wheel drive car. That's
It was spinning like all until like 30, 40 miles per hour, which is not gonna help us get a good 0 to 60 time. So we're gonna do another 0 to 60 time with Nick in here. That's probably gonna be my last one because my tuner only set to send him one log just so he can see how the truck is performing. Now, by all means, this truck is not done. We're not done dialing it in. He still has a few touch-ups with the tune. I just have to send him this so he can see how it's running. So the truck could probably potentially be faster once he tweaks a few things. But yeah, let's do one more with Nick in here so he can feel it. And I'm probably gonna turn off the traction thing right here. So
you had traction.
yeah, I had traction off. That just does it automatically with sport mode.
Hey, that's fast, bro.
Guys, did you see what happened there? It spun so bad that traction control kicked in and killed power.
Oh, it killed a lot of power.
I mean,
thought you
at
let off.
19
I thought you let off, bro.
No. At 19 miles per hour, the truck literally just stopped and then went. This truck is fast. So I just checked the performance pages, and that last one was a 3.5. Look at that, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Dude, That last one was a 3.5, and it literally like shut off at 19.
All the power, dude.
That's fast.
And man. Wow.
Guys, that is fast.
It stopped for a whole second. It stopped pulling
It
for
literally
one whole
stopped at
second.
19 miles per hour.
So we could get a 2.5, and this is what you're saying.
I don't know, but we can get in there too if we do a proper launch using launch control. To get a 3.5, I knew that last one felt a lot quicker.
It did, bro.
We launched it a little lower.
I was like, bro, that felt fast. That felt fast, dude.
Guys, it spun, traction kicked in, killed power at 19 miles per hour for at least a second. Got back in it, and we still get a 3.5. So I want you guys to give me your honest opinion on this. So we have these little hooks right here, and they're black. And I was thinking about color matching it with the truck, so making them red. There's one on this side, and there's one on that side. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Nick, what do you think?
I think we should do it. It would complement the whole front end really.
Right, because you did mention that there's just too much black on the front, and we need something to pop. So now we're gonna toss these red keys to Nick.
I'm gonna keep
Enjoy the Charger. You can just tell Nick is enjoying his time. You look like you're enjoying your time.
I feel like I left the tires on the road.
I know you were spinning. Hit it. And we are back, and the cars have reunited once again. So how did that feel, Nick?
All I want you to do is keep these away from me.
Why? No, you can have them.
I'll keep them, but you won't get this back.
Isn't this fun?
This car, guys, is fun. Like, that car, like, you gotta worry about so many things.
It's too much.
This car is just it.
It's perfect.
Faster than a stock Hellcat. It's really a lot.
It's
like,
faster than a
faster.
stock redeye.
It's a redeye, I forget. And it sounds so good, and you just hear the tire sheet on the ground.
It's even with 315 nittos, you know.
315 nittos, bro.
So you would say that you would probably have more fun with the Charger than the Chally, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll drive this car over that car all day.
All right, so we're gonna be taking the Challenger with us as well because these tires are donezo. Literally bald as hell. The other side was showing wires, which means we need new tires, and I think we got the perfect fix for that. Look at that. We got two Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. These are the 315/50/17. So these are the tires I always run on my welds on the Challenger. So yeah, we're gonna go and get those mounted up. Okay, that didn't work. We gotta push that a little. All right. What's up, guys?
Good.
I look like a go-kart compared to you guys.
Smoke that thing.
Nah, chill. No, none of that energy. I don't want no smoke. Guys, should we let Paul do a quick launch in the truck? What do you guys think? I think we should do it. And by the way, that launch was off idle, so it wasn't that bad. All right, so we made a quick stop at my boy's place, and he has this G63 right here. And it's supposed to be done up. It's tuned, makes 730 horsepower. Just look at this thing. Can you turn it off for us? Oh my God. Look at this. These are so beautiful. One of my favorite SUVs out here. Look, exhaust from the side. Oh my God. This thing is a beast. Stock exhaust, by the way. Literally fully specced out. Diamond stitching everywhere. AMG. Look at the key. Carbon fiber everywhere. Ambient lighting. I've never been in this. Let's get in here. Wow. Look at this thing. Look at the screen right here. Wow, looks like an airplane in here. It's beautiful. The steering wheel is suede, carbon fiber. You got the AMG right there. Here basically controls everything. You got suede headliner. You got a sunroof right here. Wow, I want to hear this thing out. So it's not that loud, but it is tuned to 730 horsepower. Wow, this thing is a beauty. Look at the AMG wheels. The seats are beautiful. Wow. Look how the door shuts. It's like a fucking tank. All right, guys, it is time for us to leave. We've literally been here for hours just talking to the owner, Rob. Rob is the same guy that took out the TRX supercharger before we took it to Joker's, and he put it back on. He does amazing work. All right, time to get her in there. Wow, she is looking good. Just come stand on here to see if it'll lift you.
No.
Just try. I don't think it'll lift you.
Bro, you get on it. Get on it.
You get on it. You get on
No,
it.
it's dirty as fuck. I'm not touching it.
No, you just don't think it can lift you. That's why. Just get on it.
No, you get on it.
No, you just don't think it can lift you. Just say that. So we got the cars back home. We got the TRX here in its own little spot because it's so big. We got both the red eyes in there, and it is time to end today's video. Today was such a long and draining day. I don't even know what we did. We did a lot in today's video. So let me know what you guys think of everything that happened today. We're almost done tuning the TRX. Again, I'm still going back and forth with Kurt. We're almost done dialing it in, and then we're probably gonna take that to the track, and we also gotta dyno it and a few races with it as well. I have quite a few races actually planned with the TRX, so stay tuned for that. But now I'm gonna let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, leave a like, make sure you leave a comment, and also turn your notifications bell on so you are notified when I post a video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.